Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and life to everything. I could never imagine my life outside of producing music. Sadly, I'm part of the 90% of musically inclined people that remain unknown. However, I figured that I might as well try to advertise myself a bit and share with you some of my music. As of today, I produce over 270 tracks, ranging from vocals to instrumentals and beats, and here I'm sharing with you some of my instrumentals that I have composed. If you enjoy what you like hearing, my music can be streamed on Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, and other various streaming services. Also, all the soundtracks can be downloaded on Bandcamp and SoundClick. Please go to the QR code or go to my link tree at lyft.bio/monopark. I produced an orchestral album and an original piano album and are on for sale, 1 for $5 and 2 for $8 US. Please pay shipping and handling. I understand not a lot of people use CD players, so it is only for those that are seeking to support me and donate. By the way, the cover art is original and painted by me as well, since I'm also a professional artist. If you're interested or have any other questions, feel free to message me or comment below. Please like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for listening and for the support as well. Travis.